Hi there, welcome to another video. I wish you all the best in your study. So New Year and Christmas is over. Now you can focus your mind to your studies again. With that, I would like to start with another series, still in the statistic class. Without further ado, let us come to the points. Write the relations among means, median, and mode. 2007 question. So the answer is mean minus mode equal to thrice mean minus median. So you have to learn this, or if you are difficult to learn this, you can learn the other one, that is mode equal to thrice median minus twice mean. They are both same. So how do we get this mode is equal to thrice median minus twice mean? Let us see. Mean minus mode equal to thrice mean minus thrice median. So transfer this mean to the left hand side. We have mean minus thrice mean plus thrice median equal to, when we transfer mode to the other side, we have plus mode. Here we have 1 mean minus 3 means we have twice mean, we have thrice median minus equal to mode. So this is how we get. So we also knows this formula as Carl Pearson empirical formula. So they have asked in 2007 for 1 mark. They may ask again. Now important one, let's go to quartile. Suppose if they ask in the exam, what is quartiles? Then you have to write, it is the values of variates which divide the total frequency into number of equal parts. Now it has 3 types. Number 1, first quartile, also known as lower quartiles. Number 2, second quartiles, also known as median, which we have learned before. Third quartiles, also known as upper quartiles. Please remember these things. Now let's go back to the definition. It is the values of variates. That means it is a central values which divide the frequency. Frequency, I hope you remember, the numbers of times that a particular entry occur. So now let us learn what is first quartiles or lower quartiles, denoted by Q1. The values of the variates. It is the central values which divide the whole frequency. Now we will divide the whole frequency into 2 parts in such a way that 1/4 of all the values of the variate in the data have their values less than or equal to, remember, less than or equal to it, while 3/4 have their values greater than or equal to it, denoted by Qi, and it is given by L plus 1n by 4 minus Cf into H. So from where this formula comes? Okay, now quartiles is denoted by quartiles formula. Let's go to formula Qi, and you have to write the formula of the median. L plus, here you will write In divided by 4 minus C into H. Now this I has to goes from 1, 2 and 3. It will not reach 4. Now another things that you have to remember is quartiles means 4. Quarter, 4. Quartiles means 4. You can simply learn like that for your better understanding. Quartiles means 4. So that's why in IN by 4. So you divide it by 4. So let's take an examples of this. So I will write as an example. Yeah, let us take 1 to 20. Okay, from here, let us divide them into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So we can say this is first part, second part, third part, and here now, what does first quartiles means? Let's say the values of first quartiles is in between this, maybe 5. Let's say the values of first quartile Q1 equal to 5 as an example. Now what does first quartiles definition means? It means that this 5 is the values of the variate which divide the frequency. This number, let's say this is frequency, which divide the whole frequency into what? Into 2 parts. Here this will be 1 part, and here this will be another part. First part and second part. Now what happened is this values of variates, what happened? 1/4 of all the values of the variate in the data have their value less than or equal to it. That means this 5, the 1/4 part, that means this is 1/4 part. is less than or equal to. Less than means all this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 4, it is less than 5. But 5 is equal to 5. So it says that it may be less than or equal to. And now let's take the 3 by 4. So this 3 by 4 part is greater than or equal to. That means 6 is greater than 5, 7 or greater. Sometimes in the future it can be equal to, or means it can be also equal to, like in this 1 by 4 part. This is how you have to understand. And now next let's go to median. How about median? We have learned about median previously. Let's go to third quartiles or upper quartiles, and it is denoted by Q3. Now let us see the definition of third quartile also. This is also a value of the periods which divide the whole frequency into two parts. Now remember, two part it has to be divided such that 3/4 of all the values of the periods that I have less than or equal to it. That means now let's see, while 1/4 have greater than or equal to it. Now look nicely here. 3/4. Let's say here is the 3/4 now. This part become 3/4 now. First 3/4. This 3/4 is less than or equal to. Let's say the values of period is how much? Let's say 15.5. So this 15.5 is the values of the period. So all these 3 by 4 part, now 15, 14, 13, all these are less than this value of period, that is 15.5. Now how about the 1/4? This is the 1/4 part again. Now this 1/4 is greater than or equal to it. See, 16 is greater than 15.5, 17 is also, 18 also, and so on. That's why this is how it is divided into two parts, not two equal parts, two parts, and then their values can be one values. So this third quartile is denoted by Q3, and the formula will be L plus Q3 means thrice n by 4 minus c divided by f into h. This is the formula. Now, in the same way, all these decile percentiles can be learned. Let me rub all of them first. Deciles means tenth. Remember, tenth. It is divided into 10 parts, 10, and denoted by D1. And let us try to learn decile first. So in the same way, deciles, the formula will be di equal to the formula of the median, L plus, here I into n, it has deciles means 10, so it has to be divided by 10 minus c f into h. So we know that L is lower class, f is frequency, h is width of the class, c is cumulative frequency just before the median class or whatever decile class they give. So this is how we can find out the formula. So the important part is here, in divided by 10. What about percentiles? It is denoted by pi and it means 100. So what is the formula for pi? Pi is equal to L plus in divided by 100 minus c f into h. So this is the formula you have to learn nicely for percentiles and deciles. Write down that formula. I'll not give you the definition and all, but you just need to learn the formula. So what is that for quartile? Qi equal to L plus I n by 4 minus c divided by f into h. This is the formula for quartile. So once you know this formula, let us go and try to solve your sample question from the board. This is the questions they give in question number 24. I hope you have seen the sample question. So in question number 24, they says find the lower quartiles. They can even ask like find the 6 deciles or maybe 80 percentiles. So let us try to solve one question each. If you know how to solve this, then it will be very easy. So now the given question is mark 0 to 4 number of students who scored 0 to 4 is 10, then who scored 4 to 8 is 12, number of students is 12. So on, they give this mark as the class, and then number of students, this is the frequency. So to solve these percentiles, deciles, and quartiles, you have three columns or three rows, mark or class, and then you need frequency and then cumulative frequency. You need only these three tables. So let's see one by one. I have done for you. Mark 0 to 4, 10. Cumulative frequency is 10. Then mark 4 to 8 is 12 students. Cumulative frequency is 12 plus 10. We have 22. Then 8 to 12 we have 18 frequencies. And 18 and 22 we have 40. So this is how we have done. This one from the previous class, how to find out cumulative frequency. So we will not waste much time here. Now we know the total numbers of frequency is 70, n equal to 70. Then if the question says that find the lower quartiles, what do you understand by lower quartile? Lower quartile means Q1. So here we will start like this. Qi quartile is equal to L plus In by 4 minus C F into H, where In divided by 4 equal to, what is our I? Lower quartile means I equal to 1. So we have I is equal to 1 into, what is our n? 70 by 4. So what is 70 by 4? We have 4, 1, 4, 30, 4, 7, 28, 4, 5, 20. So we have In divided by 4 is equal to 17.5. Then what about our L? So 17.5. Where is this in the cumulative frequency? We don't have 17.5 in the cumulative frequency, but it is between 10 and 22. So 17.5 is between 10 to 22. So our lower quartile class will be this 22. We will take the bigger number. Frequency will be 12 and our class will be 4 to 8. This is what we got. Now, how to find out the formulas? Then we have lower quartile. What is the symbol for lower quartile? Q1 is equal to L plus N by 4 minus C by F into H. So what is the values of L? L is equal to lower class limit of 4, F equal to 12, C is equal to cumulative frequency just before the quartile class, lower quartile class, then 10. Then what is the height of the class? Height of the class means difference between the upper class limit and lower class limit. Upper class limit is 8 minus lower class limit is 4 equal to 4. So we have all the values. Let us substitute all the values. 4 plus, here we have 17.5 minus C. What is our C? 10 divided by F is 12 into, what is our H? 4. So 4 and 12 can be cancelled. We have here 4 plus 17.5 minus 10 is 7.5 divided by 3. Now we can cut, I think. 3 2 are 6.35 are 15. So we have 4 plus 2.5. 4 plus 2.5 means 6.5 is our lower quartiles. This is how you can solve the lower quartiles. Even you can try upper quartiles. Find upper quartiles. Even you can find out median also. So you can practice this question. Next, let me rough all of them and let us see some question on deciles. Let's say question is find the 6 deciles example of the given data. Then what is the formula for this decile? Here di is equal to what? L plus in by 10 minus c, f into h. So what is the values of this? In by 10 equal to, what is I? I is 6 into 70 by 10. That means 0, 0 cancel, 6, 7, 42. So where is our 42? 42 is between 40 and 47. So which one we will take? We will take 47 as our decile class. So 7 is our frequency and 12 to 14 is our class. So let us substitute all the values. What will be our L? We know our class is 12 to 14. Lower class is 12. Now what is our frequency? 7. What is our cumulative frequency just before the decile class? 40. Then what is our H? 14 upper class limit minus 12 lower class limit equal to 2. So let us substitute all the values. Then the 6 equal to L plus 6 by n by 10. 6 into n by 10 minus c, f into h. So let's put the values. 12 plus, what is 6 to 20 is 42 minus 40. What is our f? 7 into 2. So we have 12 plus 2 into 2 by 7. So we have 7, 12 into 7 plus 2 to our 4. So what do we have? into 14, 8184 plus 4 by 7, that means 88 by 7. So let's divide 88 by 7. 7 1 is 7 8 7 2 14 4 0.7 oh 75 are 35. So we have 50 7 7 are 49. So when we take approximation, we have 12.57 equal to approximation 12.6. So this is how you can find out the deciles. Now let's go for how to find out percentiles. Pause and copy down. Okay, if the question is asked like this, find 80 percentiles. Here, what is pi? L plus I by n, 100 minus c. Because percentiles means 100, f into h. Then p80 is equal to L plus 80n by 100 minus c, f into h. Let's find out all the values where 80 into n by 100 is equal to 80 into 70 by 100. 0 0 cancel. 7 are 56 we have. So 56, where is our 56 class? We don't have 56, but what we have is 52 and 60 in between 56. So our percentile class will be 60. Frequency will be 8, class will be 18 to 20. So what is our L? 18, F 8, C 52, H 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. So what is the value? L is equal to 18 plus 56 minus C is 52. F is what? 8 into H is. So we have 2, 4, 18 plus 56 minus 4 4 cancel 1, so we have 19. This is the answer for this. Any values, whatever question they ask, they may give 60 percentiles, 80 percentiles, 66 percentiles, or whatever. So once you know the way of calculating, you can find out all the values. Watch again and again so that you will be able to find it easily to calculate this kind of question. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning and please do subscribe and like the video.